Okay, I've laid out all the components, of which there are many, and I haven't really got a clue what goes where. It can't be rocket science. It does say that it comes with instructions, but they're all in different languages. It's not exactly instructions, it just says operating instructions and mounting instructions. Follow the link, and you need a 7-digit article number, and nowhere can I find a 7-digit number other than the part number, but I've put the part number into Touratech website and nothing. Okay, so the toolbox mounted to these brackets here. Because this is a universal fitting, as in it can go on the outside, the inside, or if the exhaust on different models is on the left hand side, it can fit over on the other pannier rail, depending on what your preference is. But of course that leaves four holes, which you simply, with the screws and washers provided, just put the screws in, do them up, and it makes that watertight. So we do that before we mount the toolbox permanently. So that's the 4 planking screws. Put in and secured. Now we can mount the toolbox. And you get supplied 3 sticky friction pads. Put them there, 2 there, 1 there. Stop any damage to your pannier rails. And it gives them a good purchase. Okay, this bracket is wrong. This toolbox can be mounted on either side, either inside of the pannier rails or outside of the pannier rails. So you get 2 different brackets, and this one is wrong. So that friction tape is really strong. I do recommend putting this bracket on first rather than this bracket, because it's easier to adjust this one up and down. It is to try to negotiate these 2 holes, if that makes sense. Okay, all that needs to be done now is these all securely tightens. Put the door on, and we're done. And don't forget to attach this bit of cord. This will save you losing your toolbox lid. And there we go, one fitted Touratech toolbox to my GS adventure. Just come at the back here.